Essay on women's safety in English. Protection of women in India has become a crucial issue. We cannot assure the safety of the women nowadays because if we read a newspaper or go on social media, the news of girls getting raped by cab drivers, acid burning, child marriage, domestic violence from different parts of India. Safety of women in India is a vast topic nowadays. We cannot say that women are safe in India by seeing the last few year crimes against women, especially in the national capital. Women generally feel frightened while going alone outside to the home. It is a very sad reality of the country that its women citizens are living with fear all time. Women's safety is a big social issue which needs to be solved urgently by the effort of all. Women's safety is our priority. Everyone must come collectively to make our nation a safer place for women so that they can live peacefully. Women's safety in India has always been a challenge for law and order authorities in the country. Rape, sexual molestation, child marriage, and mental harassment are some of the problems that women face in India. There are many laws in the country to eradicate crime and provide a safe environment for women in India. India is usually known as the rape capital of the world because the number of rapes percentage is highest in India. Many rape cases such as the Hyderabad gang rape case, the Delhi Nirbhaya case or Bangalore law student rape case has sparked numerous outrage not only in India but around the world. We all know that our country Hindustan is famous for its different customs and culture throughout the world. In India, it has been a tradition since ancient times that women are given special honor and respect. India is a country where special care is taken of the safety and respect of women. In Indian culture, women have been given the status of goddess Lakshmi. If we talk about the 21st century, then women are working on the shoulders with men in every field, whether it is a politics, bank, school, sports, police, defense sector, on business, or the desire to fly in the skies. We cannot say that there is no problem in the security of women in our country, but we cannot ignore some positive points too. In recent times, cases like throwing have suddenly increased. After watching these incidents of acid, rape and sexual harassment on women, it seems that the safety of women is in danger. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.